In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Squarespace site under construction in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and make sure your site visitors know you're working hard behind the scenes. First, head over to the Squarespace website. It's important to start at the source to ensure you have access to all the tools and options Squarespace offers. So, open up your web browser and go to the Squarespace homepage. Once you're there, click on Get Started. This will lead you to a suite of intuitive options where you can begin crafting your under construction page with ease. Squarespace's simple interface is designed to guide you without overwhelming you, so don't worry if this is your first attempt. Next, navigate to Website and then Pages. Here's where the magic begins. Click on the plus icon, the one that's usually located near the top of your screen. This action allows you to add a spanking new page specifically for your under construction message. Now, it's time to select a layout. You'll see several options, but what you want is something that clearly communicates your temporary offline status. Whether it's a blank page or a simple pre-made layout, choose the one that best fits your message of under construction or coming soon. With your layout selected, now comes the creative part, designing the page. Customize it with a message that tells your visitors what's happening. You might want to include a launch date if you have one in mind, or maybe a form where visitors can leave their email addresses to receive updates. This is not just practical, but can help build anticipation and a sense of connection. Once your page looks just right, it's time to ensure it's ready to go live. Stay in the Pages panel and look for the Not Linked section. This part of the organization helps in keeping your site's layout structured but hidden from the main navigation. Drag your newly created under construction page to this section. Next, hover over this page and you'll notice a gear icon appearing. Click on it to dive into the settings. Under General, you'll find an option that says Set as Homepage. By selecting this, your under construction page will be the first thing visitors see when they find your site. For extra security, ensuring that visitors only see the Coming Soon page, move all other pages to the Not Linked section. This means no distractions, just a focused message that you're working on something great. And lastly, when you've double-checked everything and you're happy with your under construction setup, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button. This will publish your new under construction homepage for the world to see. And there you have it. Your Squarespace site is now neatly and effectively under construction. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time for more web design tips.